Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure when you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, so in today's video we're going to draw a full watermelon. So the watermelon is still have a skin. So prepare your stuff and let's jump together. And at the beginning I will create the circle so you guys at home can follow like this, right? So you can make a circle like this, guys. Okay, from here like this and then like this. All right, then like this. Okay, you can see the circle already here. All right, then the next one is I will going to draw the line for the skin. So start from here, you can go like this. Right, nice. You can go like this again, just follow like you draw the wave. Right, then you can draw like this again. All right, then again. That's basically like this line, then you just repeat. Okay, right, but before that you need to draw the mud here. So I will draw mud here like this. Alright, then after that you going to draw the eyes here. Okay, then draw like this time. Then you give something like this. Alright, after that you just give a black color here. Okay, it's like his eyes, right? Then after that you can give some teeth over here to make it look so cute. Then this is the tongue over here, right? Okay, the next one is going to make the line again here. So we connect like this. All right, we connect like this, right? Then after that the last one is like this. Right after that is like this. Okay, guys, then the next one is the eyes. So I will make eyes here like this. Then I will block this with the black color so it become like this. Right, nice. All right, then the next one I will give the red color for the cuteness here. So here give a red color like this, and then the other one is in here, right? Okay guys, I think that's it for today for the draw overall. So next one is we give a color to the surface of the watermelon, and I will speed up the video, guys, then you guys can follow the color. All right, let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of the whole watermelon. Hope you guys learned something today and hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn together with me. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, and then see you for the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.